Hi everyone, thanks very much for watching today. I'm Gemma from Preston Baker in York, and I'm here today to tell you about another new exciting property that we've got coming to the market. So I'm currently standing on Ashley Park Road, which again is off the beautiful area of Stockton Lane. It's a 3-bedroom detached property. Now I'm excited to talk to you about this one because it's very rare that a detached property actually becomes available, so act quickly to avoid disappointment. I'm going to take you through now and have a look around. Let's go. So as we enter the property, to the front we have off-street parking for roughly 2 to 3 cars. There's also a detached garage to the rear of the property as well. I'll take you through the front door now. So as we come through the front door of the property, we walk straight into a really inviting kitchen. Now they've recently had the kitchen remodernised, so beautiful, beautiful room. It features a double oven, a gas hob. It's a really, really nice colour, really soft grey, so really, really in keeping, very modern. There's also additional space for additional appliances, so we have your fridge, freezer, and there's also space under the counter for a washing machine. So as we walk through from the kitchen, we come into a really nice, spacious lounge. There's a beautiful bay window just behind me, which overlooks onto the street. Again, it's a really spacious room, nice, light and airy. We then walk through into the dining room. And as you can see, one of the really nice features of this room is the beautiful wooden folding doors. So if you want to have this room separated, you can just fold them in. This room lends itself to many buyers, so you can really use this space to suit yourself. You then walk through into a beautiful conservatory that overlooks onto the rear garden. So I've come through to the conservatory and I'd like to draw your attention to the beautifully presented rear garden. Now, as you can see, it's completely landscaped, so really low maintenance. There's relatively new fence panelling all the way around. And then just on the right-hand side, there's a larger than average garage, which again is great for storage, for cars, anything you need it for. The property is situated in a fantastic part of York, just off Stockton Lane. It's great for family schooling, local amenities. There's direct road links to the Monk's Cross Vangarde shopping centre, so there's lots on offer in this fantastic village. So I'm currently standing in the family bathroom, and again, the current vendors have also updated this room as well. So it's a nice white suite. They've also had some really attractive panelling put to the wall, so it's nice, easy to clean, low maintenance. You have a shower over the bath, and then a nice window to the rear which adds in loads of light. The property benefits from 3 really good sized double bedrooms. I'm currently on the ground floor, and this is bedroom number 3. Again, it's a really good size, really nice and light, and it has beautiful views onto the rear garden. So we're standing in the master bedroom. As you can see, the room is dormered to the front and rear, which is fantastic. It adds so much more space. It's incredibly light in this bedroom. It's beautifully presented. The room also benefits from fitted wardrobes. If I show you inside as well, there's also electrics. So on those dark days, you can see what you're looking for. So as we walk across the hallway, we enter into the second bedroom on this level. And again, the size is unbelievable. It really is perfect for a family. And again, this bedroom also has the additional storage built in. And again, windows to the front and rear, so very, very light room. So that's our property launch update for the week. I hope you've enjoyed walking around this fantastic property with me. To arrange a viewing, please contact the York branch now.